everybody to Planet Poppers. Today we are going to the beach! Let's go!
And that is the future of YouTube. He's going to be a star forever. Here we are in the middle of rainy season, November. Stage is getting ready for the festivals that are coming up. And we're going to take a walk down all of Lamai. And water temperatures are still very, very nice. It's not a sauna or a bath, but it's still lovely. Warmer than the English water. Our first stop in today's journey is at the pavilion. Pavilion has two pool areas as well. And the stairway to heaven. Coming up to the famous door. Still gotta try the burger here. And the music loves the doof doof. So if you like it here, the doof doof and the burgers, perfect spot. And right beside it is Utopia. And Nona massage. I love going through the Jasmine. We recently did this hotel under review. Very cool place to stay. Pacific Ave. And you can have a coconut, order a coconut inside a coconut and sit on the coconut. Here we're at the Thai House Resort. They're doing their last minute work upon before high season comes around. Just doing a nice, beautiful pagoda, whatever you call them. Rainy promotions at $149. I said here they're working on the deck before. I think it was. Sadika, magic massage. If you like your coconuts, you head to Lamai Coconut Beach. Got some staff waiting around. Sadika. Spring roll lady with donuts. Sawadee-ka, how are you? Good, good. Nice and quiet, huh? Right in front of the Weekender. Here we are in front of the Weekender. They have a massive pool that does an L shape. Love this time of year. Don't like the weather much of this time of year, but they do need some rain. Perfect, very relaxing, especially in Lamai. It's more quiet than any other part of the Samui area. Heading to the black and yellow bar. Sawadee-ka. Nice and easy. How are you?
Good, sir. Thanks.
Good, good. Very good, thank you. Sawadee ka. Don't get it confused, it's the other one. This is called Coconut Beach Resort. This is where they spray painted the weights. We're at the Cactus where you can park, and they are working on new things on the side of the road. But if you are coming up just to want to have a good day on the Lamai, put your GPS on Cactus, and they do have parking for motorbikes and cars. The bikes are only 20 baht, cars are 50 baht. You can park all day and head straight free to the beach. And this will bring you right in front of Bamboo and Cactus. Yep. We just went through Cactus. Now this is Bamboo. This is very big with the locals. They love coming to here for the beach lunch. The menu is very huge as well. And the Astro Bar, which is connected to the Bamboo and the other one. There we go. And now we're at Siwa. They do have an air conditioned area so you can sit in the aircon and enjoy your Christmas dinner or your Christmas holidays. And one of the better places to have a look-see up top is at the Red Elephant. They do have 2 levels. So if you go up there, it overlooks a bit more better of Lamai Beach. And the food is pretty good. We're up to Pi 3, and you know it and I know it. It's Bad Bad Teddy. Very quiet at Bad Teddy. He's still sleeping. Gonna lead and play now. Today's special is the barramundi. Sawadee ka. And the third day has the free sunbeds, Thai food. Anything for you. Okay. That's a pink flag. I'm not sure what that means. I've seen a red flag and a white flag and a yellow one, but pink, I'm not sure. Also did this one called the Hive Hotel. Got some great reviews as well, so definitely a place to stay here in Lamai, right in the middle of it all. At the moment it is jellyfish season, but I heard quietness on how many jellyfish there are or if there are any at the moment. So far so good. And this is the point where they did have netting for the jellyfish, but they took it out of the water, which is here. So let's hope they bring it back in there so the jellyfish don't bother you. All right, we're here with Mr. Pong. How are you?
Yeah.
Good. Mr. Pong gives you the free sunbeds,
Yes.
and then you can grab yourself a drink as well. Enjoy the day.
Yeah. Mr. Pong.
Mr. Pong. Love saying his name. Mr. Pong likes to say Mr. Pong. Our friends here at Joy Massage. Sawadee Krap. How are you? Not so happy today. Here at the Marina Resort, I have a great memory here where it was during the time that everything was closed down and this pool was open, but there was nobody here. It was the middle of all the lockdown. And coming here, it was just a few people. It was really cool. It's just nobody was on the beach. Nobody was anywhere. I just remember talking to a couple locals here. Those little memories always stick out. Crazy times. Still at Marina. Reopening of Samui Scents from last time. Sunbeds are $150. Umbrellas set is triangle 00. So if you have any triangles in your pocket, you can stay here all day long. There's a hole in the ozone. Miramar Resorts, restaurant, and nice little huts on the beach. It's a little busy at Seabreeze Bungalow. Nice little cabin resorts as well. At the moment we have a huge plot for sale, and right beside it they put Living Pinkala, Sawadee Krap, so you can get a nice massage with nobody around. Nice and quiet. Oh, also, yes, massages start at $350 on the beach. as we're coming up to Aloha. I did a hotel review here as well. It has that Hawaiian touch, the way it's all set up. Very quiet. Aloha. Nice stuff at Aloha. This will be our last stop for today. We are going to come back next week and do the other side of Lamai, go into more detail of all the restaurants and bars near the rocks of the Grandpa Rock, Grandma Rock, Rockety Rock. But our last place to go to is called Ammatara, one of my favorite places here on Koh Samui. It is in the top 10 hotels, I think, on the island. Well, this is our final destination for today. We're going to do the other places on Lamai in another video coming up, but I just wanted to stop here today, end it off here at one of the best hotels on the island called Ammatara. I've done a video of this. You have to watch this. Everything has such detail in this place, especially in the rooms. Every little stone, every chair, everything has so much carving in it, and it's just so beautiful. Very traditional Thai. Love this place. We'll go this way. It has two sides to the pool. If you want a piece of Thailand, you definitely have to stay here. A little bit more pricey, but honestly, it is worth every baht you pay. And that was our walk down Lamai. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. We are in Bangkok for a few days, so I'm going to show you a few things in Bangkok, but back to Koh Samui by the end of the week. So don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends, Christmas is coming, change the face. You got to change the face. So take care and see you all here soon.